this shit here. This shit. This shit. This shit. This shit. Baby like this shit here. Sitting on some great ideas. No need entertain, no fear, my dear. Call me on the same, no change right here, no. When Billy I tasted it, find me in a place, no sin. Can't even explain or think, no way. Party in the day, always, yeah. Oh, yeah. This shit here, looking for you, wonder how you disappear. I've always been 100 for your Instagram, but the money I've been making, no, I disappear. Pissed and pissed, walking out the order, but you're still in there. Can I sober up a little before I lose my shit? I don't need another door, I do and sit. I do all. Now it's all the fun to take it, even more barely back then.
So my biggest mistake was actually using onion rings, because I saw it in another YouTube video. But next time I'll definitely use dough, like proper dough. And my second mistake was the fact that my mashed potatoes were very soft and they just couldn't stick onto the onions. But hey, I made it work because you put the cheese, then it's the mash, and then obviously I'm making the yolk now, and then I'm gonna dunk it into the flour and egg and then breadcrumbs. But honestly, the outside of this tastes really, really nice. The problem that I had with it was the onions, they were just too raw, and then I thought that they would cook through, but I think the thickness of them were just, they were just nuts. But everything came out really, really well. I loved my breakfast / lunch. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys.